In this video, we'll see how to connect MySQL with Netbeans. So what you have to do is you just have to download MySQL as well as the connectors for MySQL. Okay. So first, download and install MySQL. Okay, and be careful while downloading the MySQL and the connector. Both the versions should be the same. So what you have to do is you just have to install MySQL and then come to Netbeans IDE. Okay, in this what you have to do is you'll be having some kind of project like this. Okay, so I have a student registration. Just I'll go for the service section, and here what I have to do is I have to just first register for MySQL server. Initially when you'll come, you'll be seeing like this empty. Okay, you just have to give the MySQL password. Okay, so I'm getting the remember password. Okay, just okay. So here it has been registered. So the port number of MySQL is 3306. So currently it's disconnected, so first we have to connect it. So we have connected it. We don't have our database, so first I have to create the database. Student registration, so you can see here student registration. Yeah, finally it has created. So what you have to do is you just have to connect the database. Connect. Okay, and it has been connected here. So currently student registration is a database and tables. We don't have tables right now, so we'll create the table first. And we'll add the columns as well. So we have given the table name as a student registration, and we have added the columns as well as the databases. Okay, and the size of the databases. Okay, now just click the OK. So you can see here the table name as a student registration, and here will be the columns. Okay, so these are the things you have created right now. So the connection part of MySQL with the NetBeans is done. Now you come to this project section. What you have to do here is you just have connected right now the MySQL with NetBeans. So one more thing you have to do is you have to connect the connector jar to NetBeans. Okay, so what you have to do is you just right click here and properties. So previously I said you like you have to download the MySQL as well as the connectors for MySQL. Both the versions should be the same. Add the libraries here. mm, Remove this. So you'll be seeing like this. Add library, create library. My library is already existed. My library again. Okay. So just okay. Add the jar folder. So here this is my folder where my jar is available. So and if you when you will download the connectors, MySQL connectors 5, if you're downloading MySQL connector 5, you will be seeing two jars. You just have to add both the jars. Add jars, again add jars. Okay, then okay. So if you are not able to download the jar, so I'll be like giving the link in the description so you can download from there. Okay, just hit the OK button. Here you will see the both the jars will be coming here. So both the jars is available, so your job is done. You just run the project. That's it. Just enter the details. Just register. The job is done. So finally it has been registered. So if you want to check, you can check from the NetBeans, as well as you can go to MySQL part. Okay, and just give the password here and run few queries. Okay, so you may have remembered that we have created the database as a student registration here. So we'll use that database. Database has been changed, so now we'll see whatever we have, things we have added in the database. So tables, we have added only one table, that is student registration table. So in this tables what we have created and we have stored, you'll be seeing here. So here are the things I have added in the four, like when I was running. These are the things, details I have added. Okay, so your job is done. You have finally configured MySQL with the NetBeans, and if you have any query, you can ask from me in the below comments. And if you're not getting how to download the connector parts, so I'll be giving the link in the description. You can download from there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.